Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, we are going to talk about users and how you can edit your user profile. So you can go to this user section and then you can click on all user. Here you will see the list of all the user. You will see their username and then their name and their email address and then their role and the number of posts which they have made. We have just one user and this user has created 5 posts. Now if you want to edit your profile, then you can click on edit, or you can go to this profile button, or you can hover over your username and then click on edit profile. So I'll just click on edit here, and here you can change some settings. So if you don't like this theme, then you can click on midnight. I actually like this midnight. You can click on ocean or blue or modern or light. You can choose any admin color scheme, but default is fine with me. I will choose default, and this setting is also interesting. So if you don't like this toolbar, so let me show you what I mean. I'll open my site in a new page. So whenever you are browsing your website and you are logged in, and if you don't want this toolbar, okay, so this toolbar will only appear when you are logged in, and if you don't want this, okay, then you can untick this one and you can scroll down and click on update profile, and if you refresh your page, then this will disappear. But I don't like this. I want to see toolbar because it is easy to navigate to the dashboard. So I will check this box, and here you can write your first name. I will write my first name and then I will write my last name. You can choose a nickname. I don't want a nickname. I'll just choose Subham here, and then you can choose your display name. I will choose Subham Saurav here. You can choose anything you want, and you can also see that your display name has changed here as well. It was just Subham previously, but now it is Subham Saurav because of the change I made here. If I select this, then you will see only Subham here, but I want my full name. So here we go. You can also change your email address, but remember, all these email addresses will have to be verified. You can't just enter any email address. Your email address will have to go through the verification process. So you can write your email here. You can also write your website. This is my website, so this is fine. You can also write your biographical data if you want. I will write here something. So I write about tech, and this is enough for now. If you want to write a long biographical info, then you can do that. You can also change your profile picture. So right now it's nothing, but you will have to click on this link and then you will have to create an account on Gravatar, okay, and then you will have to add your profile picture. But I don't want to do that. You can do that on your own. It's pretty simple. Just create an account on Gravatar and upload your profile picture, and then your profile picture will be changed here automatically. You can set a new password here. I don't want this. I don't want to change it, so I will click on cancel here. And if you want to log out from everywhere else, then you can click on this button and then it will log out you from everywhere. Okay, so I'll just click on update profile, and my profile has changed, and let's just go back and refresh, and now the toolbar is back as I have checked this here, and my first name and the last name is fine. Now let's just go to the all user page, and here you can see your name, and you can also click on view to view all the posts that you have made. So this will take you to the author page. You can also look at the URL structure, techsavvy/author and then / your username, and this page will contain all the posts that you have made. I have made just 5 posts, so these are there. I will go back to my dashboard and I will go back to this all users. Alright, now if you have a lot of user here, because you are an admin, because you are an administrator, because your role is admin, you can change their profile as well. Okay, you can do that as well, and we will learn about that when we create a new user. So all of that coming up in the next video. Bye.